Today's video is a little different compared to my usual videos. You see, I've made a discovery. It's a planet that at first glance doesn't make any sense, because it's both on fire and a chunk of ice. Greetings Commanders, if you're new here, I am KreeKree and I'm an elite dangerous YouTuber and streamer. Speaking of, catch me live at twitch.tv/KreeKree. I'm live from 11 AM Thursdays to Saturdays Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now firstly, I just want to go over a quick overview of the science of it. Temperature and pressure have a huge influence on whether a chemical will exist in a liquid, solid, or gaseous state. Temperature and pressure both affect how molecules arrange themselves in a stable way. There are about 17 or more different types of ice. On Earth, we only have one type. Sure, you might be thinking there are different types of ice from the ones you find in your freezer, snow, and the ice that you find in the clouds. That is somewhat true, but it still only counts as being one because on a molecular level, you can't tell them apart. So now, as you most know, a water molecule has 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, and 2 electrons. Because electrons repel each other, they move around to create a more stable state. Once they're in a stable state, the shape that they create is a tetrahedron. Then when you throw temperature and pressure into the mix, the molecules then have to compensate and create a more stable solution once again. Because a tetrahedron can fit in so many ways, this is where it creates several forms of ice. And they're named in the Roman numerals in order of discovery. Like I said, there's around 17. Now with this rocky ice world, you can see here that even though it is an ice world, it is darker compared to the other rocky ice worlds. This is because it's on fire. With this planet, it is similar in Earth mass size, radius, and gravity. The atmosphere type is water, which consists of 99.9% water and 0.1% nitrogen. Now with the surface temperature being 2045 Kelvin, which translates to 1771.85 degrees Celsius, or 3221.33 degrees Fahrenheit. So why is this planet not just a water vapor? It's because of the surface pressure. Earth's surface pressure is 1 atmosphere. This planet's surface pressure is 151,358.94 atmospheres. That is a lot of pressure. So when you couple the atmosphere type, the surface temperature, and the surface pressure, it creates a fire ice world. So this is how it is able to be both on fire, but also a chunk of ice. These types of planets are very rare, and this is the first time I've ever actually been able to come across one of these planets in my exploration expeditions. I'll link in the description the location of this planet, and also some helpful videos to help explain just a little bit more how it is possible for this planet to be both on fire and ice. And how is it that there are 17 or more types of ice. That's it for this video. YouTube reckons you'll enjoy this video up here. Go check it out. I'll see you there, Commander. Fly safe.